In this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI cover songs with Jammable AI. Now, of course, if you want to try Jammable AI for yourself, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll be able to, of course, try out Jammable AI completely for free. So again, make sure you check it out, link down below. Now, to actually make AI cover songs with Jammable AI, this is quite fun to do and very easy. So once you're on their official website over here on your dashboard and you are signed in, you want to go ahead and click on Create up top, and then here you have some options. Now, if you'd like to create a cover song with any of the artists already in here, you can click on the voice library up top, and then you will of course be able to see the entire voice library. So here's going to be the AI voices. Now, you can find it pretty much for any artist in here, but if you actually don't want this, so if you do not want any of these artists and the artist you would like to make a cover with, an AI cover with, is not in here, you can just go ahead, click on create, and then you can just train a voice and you can drop a file, for example, of your own voice. And then, of course, once you've put in a file of your own voice, you can just, of course, create that and then make a cover from your own voice itself, which is going to be amazing because, of course, you can make yourself actually sing without having to sing. You just have to put in your own voice and then train this model. Now, that's the first thing you can do, but of course, if you don't want to do that, you want to go to voice library and you want to find the way you would like to actually do this. So, for example, let's just find an artist over here. Let's, for example, go with Justin Bieber, AI Justin Bieber for this one. I'm going to just click on it, and here you can listen to its it's kind of demos over here, which are auto-generated. So we can just click over here, for example. To feel your heart beating. Okay, so we get it now. This is gonna basically play it out so we can hear what sounds the best and how it sounds. If you like it, you can just go ahead, click on create up here, just below it. There we go. And here you have to click on create your song. Click on audio to sing. So on this one over here, where you can basically select sing type or upload your audio. So I'm gonna click on over here. And then you can either upload your own song or audio file, which will basically make the AI cover with this person's voice to your song. You can select it from Jammable's library over here, so you can just scroll down and you can see the wide library they have, and you can just select one of the songs from here. You can record it yourself right now, so you can sing anything with your microphone, or you can just enter in the text, so of course the one you would like your voice model to say or sing. I'm gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna just basically do this. Now, you can, of course, do whatever you want. You can play around with it and you'll see which one is the best and what works better and what does not for you and for, of course, your specific case. Here, I'm going to go text to speech. I'm going to enter text to convert to speech. I'm just going to type in something very, very simple. I'm going to type in roses or red, violets or blue, just something like this. And then here, gender is going to be male for this one. I'm going to put American accent, and then the expression is going to be just default, and I'm going to do use this text. Now over here, it's been added, and you can just basically start a cover by clicking over here. And as you can see, it's going to tell me that I have to upgrade to use text-to-speech because, of course, this is not a free feature to actually do this. However, you are able to do a few of them for free in the beginning, okay? So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to actually create your AI cover song. It's literally that easy. And if you want to do it for yourself, as I said, link down below. Make sure you check it out. It's very fun to play around with. So, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.